All right, welcome to the Web 2.0 portion of the Flipped Classroom. We talked about the components of physical fitness in the other video. Here you have some video examples of each of the components of fitness: the cardiorespiratory endurance, the muscular strength, the muscular endurance, the flexibility. Over here, if you are new to working out or exercise, we have some information for beginners, and then we have some advanced workouts. We have some examples of total body workouts, some dumbbell workouts, how to organize those workouts to get the benefit out of it. So each of you has been assigned a component of physical fitness. What your task is using these resources on this Padlet activity. You are going to perform one of your assigned component of physical fitness. So if you have cardiorespiratory endurance, you're going to do a cardio workout. In this section right here where it says student workout upload, that is where you are going to put your workout. All right, so you click here and then you can upload a link to it if you do it on YouTube. If you save it to your computer, you can upload the file there, upload it with your name and your component workout. Good luck and have fun.